Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale, and thank you so much for coming up with me from this starting point of this project. In this tutorial today, I want to show you how we're going to be stitching this together. With the hopper to the sew, how I get it stitched together. That's what I want to show you in this video. Oftentimes we get to see projects and then sneakers being stitched together. Many times they get to stitch with machine, but in here we're making something that you can make at the comfort of your home yourself without no heavy duty machine. So you have to use the hood. You have to use the hood. Yes, you can get to use the hood. This is a stitcher. You can get to use this to stitch this. So to see how you're going to be stitching all this together, that's what we're going to be showing you in here. Remember, this is a cut out of a section of the full course of this project. I have a full course of this project on my platform, and so there's a link to that in the description of this video. You can go in there and take a look at the course. So right now let's go in there to see how we're going to stitch it together. Don't forget, stitching is very important, so you will be so sure that it's not going to open and it's going to give it a good grip even when you wear. I'm Hoyewale Sunday. Come with me and let's go into this adventure of stitching this together with my local wool. Come in here and then mark where it's all going to reach. So at that point, after I've been able to mark it right now, I come over here to pick my gum and then start applying. Okay, now that's it. I just come in here to apply gum to this, applying gum round on it. Okay, now I wait for some minute for this to dry. I then come in here, open it like this, push it up this way, properly marked. This is going to cover, it's going to cover every point that was marked. So right now it's done. We have this set. Now it's set. Okay, right now it's done. Just pick hammer and mount it. More pressure on it round. Yes, this is closed up right now. So hopefully got me together. The next thing we'll be doing right now is to get this last off it, and then we'll come back to then come stitch it round. Right now, coming up to remove this, I then come here. I just have to use this. I remove it in the workshop. Look for a way how to get an iron and pull your last up, and then this is out. So right now, use a fishing line to stitch it round. So to do that, I will be stitching it and come over. I'm going to start from here, put it in, we get to continue stitching it. We're leaving equal gap in it. This has been done. This is set right now, stitched all round. The only thing that is just left for us to do in here is just come over and drop this that we made and drop it in it. So right now we're done with this. As you can see, our project is done like this, and at the end we have this. Of this we've been able to make it from the beginning to this time. Hope you'll be able to make this. Please try this on your own. Thank you so much for watching to this time. Hope you like what you're saying. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. What you just watched is just an off course all out of our full course we have on the platform. We have a full course of this project on our platform. To get a full course of that, go, there's a link in the description of this video. Go in there and you will be navigated to where you can take a full course of this project. You know, subscribe on this channel, subscribe, and then don't forget to click the notification bell to get an update of a subsequent upload on this platform. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and whatever you do, never stop learning.